Oh, these are what they call the fanboys. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Hey, you! Don't jump there! You bastard! Yeah. Oh, this is the lamest cosplay I ever seen in my life, you know? Very dry, you know, very dry. I just can't imagine how dry is this because I don't know. Anyway, why are you looking at me? Why are you looking at me that way? Oh, this is oh, these are the people of Tokyo Hat. Tokyo Hat.
Mga pala yung cameraman ng Tokyo Hat. Ito yung yung AV actor. Tumitira, yung tumitira.
Ayan ba yung mga nakamaskara doon? Ayos. Wala na ako mapicturean, kaya tayo na lang.
Yan yung yung producer ng Tokyo Hat. Producer ng Tokyo Hat.
Okay, these are the fanboys and these are the utility boys. Alright. Utility boys.
Ayaw ko tumamay. Bago daw na tayo
Pupok pa ako. Pupok pa ako. Pabenta.
Ha?
Eh, papost ko yan,
Ano yun?
yung poster.
Poster.
Kumain din natin para...
Ano benta mo?
Tabi-tabi ka lang ng ganyan.
Okay, this is the lamest cosplay I ever seen.
Doon sa loob.
So, I gotta cut it down. So, see you in the next episode of You Bastard!